Extraction tools allow you to take features from a dataset based on their attributes or location. Extractions are most often used to reduce data size. Select and Table Select are two tools that do nearly the exact same thing, except the Select is used for feature datasets, and the Table Select is used for data tables and raster datasets. This is where attribute queries are used. After it selects the values that you want, it saves them to a new dataset. Clipping extracts or keeps the input features that are overlaid with a clip feature and saves it as a new output file. It cuts out the area, cookie cutter style, but it can cut out any area or shape. This is most often used to cut your study area out or your area of interest from a larger data set. The images in these slides are from Esri's website, and in them, the input layer is always the layer you are doing something to. The feature, clip feature in this example, contains the information about what's being changed, and the output is the new data set you are creating as a result. The split tool is similar to the clip tool, but it splits the dataset into different zones. Each zone is a separate clip file, but it does multiple at once. In this example, the input dataset is split into 4 zones because that's where it overlaps with the split feature. Each zone will become a separate shapefile. This is useful because when you are analyzing a large area, because it allows for the computer to work on smaller parts at a time. Split by attribute, one of the best kept secrets, is the same concept, but instead of splitting based on the geography, it is split based on the attribute value. In the example on the slide, the original file contains 48 out of the 50 US states. Then it is split by an attribute that represents the state name. Because each state name has a different or unique name, the output will contain 48 separate shapefiles, each one containing a polygon of a US state. It is also possible to split based on multiple attributes. If the state shapefile in the example was instead a county shapefile of the US, and we wanted to separate the shapefiles of each state that contained all the counties within that state, we would not have to change anything. The output would still be 48 shapefiles, but instead of a single polygon of the state border, it would include a polygon for every county in that state. However, if we wanted a separate shapefile for each county in the US with that same data set, we would want to split based on both name and county. Why? Because county names are not unique. There are multiple counties with the same name, just located in different states. There are quite a few Shelby counties in the US, including one here in Tennessee, is the home of Elvis. So in order to make each county name unique, the county name and state name must both be used.